Hello everyone, welcome back to Fix the Faulty, and today I will show you how to use Perplexity AI on mobile. So first of all, open your app store and then you can search for Perplexity AI app. And then if it is available in your phone, then you can download it, or you can use any browser. To use it from your browser, you can just search for it. After opening it, you can now sign in and then provide your questions in the search bar, and then it will instantly give you AI powered answers like a smart assistant which will help you in your research or studies. And this is how you can use Perplexity AI on iPhone. And if this video helped you, follow us for more tips and tutorials.